How to fix this version of WhatsApp has expired on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix this version of WhatsApp has expired issue on your WhatsApp on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So you get this error. The simple reason is your WhatsApp has expired. It's as your WhatsApp says. So if that's the case, what you'll need to do is update it. To update your WhatsApp, all you have to do is head over to your App Store. It's really simple and really straightforward. So head over to your App Store and search for WhatsApp. So search for WhatsApp, and after you search for WhatsApp, simply find WhatsApp Messenger right here and then tap on update button right here. Now there should be an update button. If you tap on update button, your WhatsApp will start updating, and after the update has completed, you should be able to use your WhatsApp. Now, if you cannot update your WhatsApp for some reason, that can be due to your iPhone's software not being up to date as well. So you can update your iPhone's software by heading over to settings, and after on settings, head over to general. On general, head over to software update, and then if there is an update available, update your software, and then you will be able to update your WhatsApp. And it's that simple, guys. That is how you fix this issue. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.